Hello everyone, this is Paul with CDA. I want to go ahead and give you a quick overview of the CDA Pidgins desktop application. So to get started, you'll see that it's broken up into three quadrants. So we have the left side, the center side, and the right side. So the center side is every time a customer will text your company, the message will show up on here. When it first shows up, it will be flagged as unassigned, and then anyone in your organization will just take it over by clicking and assigning it to the thread or the person they are, and now they'll start working on it. So you can see you can not only label individual agents, but you can also classify them as maybe some type of priority within your organization. In this particular case, this company uses recalls as a flag. They also use LG priority. They also have each individual, one of their agents can be assigned to something, and also they only have one person in their triage department, so they will have their triage agent work back and forth conversations as well with their customer. And then in the center area is where you see the dialogues happening, and then over on the right hand side we just give you quick information on who the person is that's texting you, if they're known within the CDA database, and then again you can assign it to someone. We show you the claim number, we show you the date in, the scheduled date, we give you the substatus, the customer's name, and then what we do is we give you the most current 30 lines of notes so that you can quickly review what's going on. And then not only that, we also show you any previous claims that the customer may have had. And so what this does is just gives you a quick overview to see what's going on, and then if you want, you can just copy and paste in that to CDA, and then you can further assist the customer based upon the question that they asked. And so again, we'll click down on this customer. That's going to load their conversation, and then it's going to hit CDA, and any information that we found in the database for the claim, we're going to show you. Again, we're going to show you the pertinent information, show you conversations, and then we're going to show you any previous claims that they may have had. So if you are a manager, or if you're responsible for things that happen within your organization, you can quickly at a glance click on any one of these names, and you can find out what's going on with the claim without actually having to open the claim. Again, you're going to have the claim number, you'll know the pertinent information, which is definitely the date in, and then the substatuses. So those are very crucial for managers. And again, we have conversations, and it looks like this is a testing claim, so we're just showing you the different claims that this customer previously had. And so that's just a quick overview of the CDA Pidgins desktop application. Just as a reminder, in the description, if you're not following us on our monthly newsletter, look in the description. There will be a link to sign up for our monthly newsletter.